Hello, my name is Lizzy, I'm Dutch and I'm living for 20 years on Egina Island in Greece. That's the first island below Athens. I used to be a singer and I used to work as a web designer, and currently I'm working as a healer, as an energy healer. I'm a spiritual life coach, an artist, and I'm managing the beach house apartments on Egina Island. This is also the place where I'm doing my healings. The place has its own beach and beach bar. It's ideally located in an ideal place for healing. Since 7 years I'm working with this little tool and it has completely changed my life, the pendulum. I'm coming in September to the 6th Ufology Congress in Barcelona, and I will be giving 2 workshops. And in these workshops I will be talking about pendulums and dowsing. The first workshop is called The Benefits of Dowsing to Raise the Quality of Your Life. It's about how you can use a pendulum to make better decisions, more aligned decisions. It's about how to make decisions with confidence and how to trust that gut feeling. In my second workshop, I'm going to talk about the power of releasing emotional trauma through dowsing. In this workshop, I'm going to introduce you to my self-developed healing method, where I use a pendulum to release emotional baggage, emotional trauma. And what I see in my healings is that people have less pain, feel lighter, sometimes lifelong aches, they're completely disappear. I'm applying it now for a couple of years and I'm really satisfied with the results. I'm looking forward to see you in Barcelona.